If you love nature, you'll still roll your eyes at these. Meet the Why Would You Do That wildlife trio. Warning: petty commentary ahead. Number 3. Pigeons. They strut like they own the city, then bomb your lunch with zero remorse. Number 2. Mosquitoes. Tiny vampires with terrible timing, always when you're outside and in love with life. And the worst? Number 1. Seagulls. They steal food, scream like tiny banshees, have zero shame. Bonus honorable mention: raccoons, cute, chaotic, trash ninjas. So who wins the most annoying crown? Tell me your pick in the comments, and don't feed the chaos.